Hello guys and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be transforming this boring denim jacket into a cute two-piece set. So without wasting time, let's get into it.
Feels just like you. Go outside and be kind to a stranger. Watch what happens every time you do. Yeah. Can you feel it? Can you feel the love? Can you feel it? Can you feel the
So guys, this is the final look of the two-piece set, and I really love it. I love how it looks like. I love the vibe. I mean, it's giving. Let me just remove this top part so that you can see how this other piece looks like. So this is how it looks like, and I really love it because, as you can see, the straps are adjustable, and that is a win. So guys, thank you so much for watching the whole video. Make sure you comment and make sure you like. Let me know what you think about this two-piece set on the comment section, and let's catch up in the next video. Bye guys.